To determine if you have a narrow or regular P&H arm, insert a penny into the hook part of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a regular P&H arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow P&H arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X truck and SUV wiper blade on a regular P&H arm. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Locate the hole on the side of the adapter. Next, turn the wiper blade perpendicular to the wiper arm. Insert the pin into the hole, pushing all the way through. Rotate the blade down until it mates into place. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Now activate the blade change indicator by removing the sticker. Over time, the black dot will turn yellow when it's time to change your wiper blade. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X truck and SUV wiper blades.